quantum mechanics, because quantum mechanics is in the linear domain or in the intellectual domain, coming closer and closer to an understanding of consciousness. And Henry Stapp, whose book you can get for free, Henry Stapp, you can print out his book for free, his most recent book. Brings an approximation, and of course what he's emphasizing, and which I emphasize, is the effect of intention. The effect of intention. So we say that this world does not operate according to the Newtonian laws of causality, of a this causing a that. Instead, there is a potential, and under the proper conditions, meaning the proper context, the potentiality emerges as an actuality, not as a result of causation. So the little seed is not caused. Nobody forces it to grow into a blossom. Under proper conditions, one of those being your intention for it to grow, the conditions you add are warmth and sunlight and water, and now, like a pupilla coming out of a cocoon, it emerges as a flower or a butterfly. But nobody forces it to do that. Nobody causes it. You can take a cocoon and squeeze it and apply all the force you want. You won't create a butterfly. You'll just create a mess. So intention then is very powerful. So if you listen to the lecture with the intention of advancing your own level of consciousness and doing it communally with all of us together, that is the likelihood that will develop, yes? So a group like this is very powerful because of its intention. All right, so as I say, you can get this for yourself, happily, Henry Stapp off. You can print it out for nothing. Okay, let's go next. Yes. The other difference that bothers people politically, everything bothers people politically, is that the two levels, above and below 200, have a different brain physiology. This is profoundly important. Below 200, people process things, left brain dominance, completely differently. They do it through the left side of the brain, and these are the primarily animal responses. The animal responses. So this is how perception becomes distorted. So if you perceive the world through the left brain, below 200, you're seeing it more as an animal sees it. If somebody agrees with you, they're a friend. If they don't agree with you, you're an enemy and have to attack them. So how does forgiveness come about? Forgiveness is seeing error as limitation, because this is a physiologic limitation due to brain function itself. That's what Jesus Christ said, to forgive, because people who are not integrous cannot help but be that way, So the forgiveness then, people say forgiving is very hard to do. It's not hard once you understand this, that the person is limited by their own brain physiology. And from this side, out this end comes F you. We call a spade in these lectures, And what did Jesus Christ say about them? He said to avoid them. He said, don't attack evil, avoid, do not become engaged with it. Do not try to prove that it's wrong. Don't go to war with it. Don't get into an argument. Throw their emails away.